You'll start by making a 2D scene by clicking on 2D scene. You can then rename this to main because it's going to be the main scene. And you can save with Control and S. Now, you're going to want to make a new scene. Click on this. It's going to be a character body 2D. This will be our player scene. In here, you're going to want to give it a color rect. Change its size to 20 by 20 and set its position to -10 and -10. Then you'll add a collision shape 2D and set the shape to a rectangle. You'll also want to give the player a camera 2D. Then you want to add a script to the player. And before we do anything in this script, we want to go to the project settings and go to the input map and add new inputs for all of our directions. I'm using W, A, S, and D for my movements. All right. Now we're going to do @export, which makes it to where we can edit the variable inside of the inspector here. var speed : equals, which sets the variable type. I think it is. I don't know. It's type or whatever, but sets the variable type to whatever we set this value to, which is, it is a float. Now we are going to do func_physics process, which basically, I'm going to call it tick, but it's every frame basically this happens, or this runs. Now we're going to do var, create a new variable, dir for direction equals input, get, not axis, what is it, vector, but not vector, vector. And you can see it shows you -x, +x, -y, +y. So -x is going to be left, +x is going to be right. -y is actually up in Godot, kind of weird. And +y, which is down. Then we will do, not var, velocity equals dir times speed. And then we will do move and slide. And move and slide just basically tells Godot to do the physics calculations for what we did to the velocity of this character. Now we save that with Control and S. Go back to main. We're going to want to give main a color rect. Give it a darker color so we can see it. Move it to a random spot. And now add the player to the main scene by dragging the player file in there. Now, one thing. Camera's a little zoomed out. Zoom the camera in there. Now we can hit play, hit select current to select the current scene we're in, which is main, up here selected. Now we can move around with W, A, S, and D and top-down 2D. Yay!